Everyone thinks the best-selling garage heaters are automatically the best options. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Comfort Zone Ceiling Mount Heater. First up is the Comfort Zone Hardwired Ceiling Mount Garage Space Heater. Priced at $155, this unit caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive specs. If you want to maximize your garage space while staying warm, this is worth a serious look. The fan-forced design means that it circulates warm air efficiently, preventing cold spots. Plus, with features like a digital thermostat and a remote control, adjusting the temperature is as easy as clicking a button. And let's not forget about the safety features. It has overheat protection to give you peace of mind while it runs. Now, some users have mentioned that installation can be tricky, mainly because it's hardwired. Here's the thing though, if you're handy or have someone to help you, it's not a deal breaker. For those who prefer plug-and-play options, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you value floor space and want reliable heating. Skip this one if you want a plug-and-play setup. Overall, good value for a heavy-duty heater. Now, if the installation aspect of the Comfort Zone bothered you, the next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Dr. Infrared Heater Dr. 966. The next option is the Dr. Infrared Heater Dr. 966, priced at $175.07. This one caught my attention because of its dual setting capability. If you're looking for flexibility, this is definitely worth considering. With 3,000 and 6,000 watt settings, it can adapt to your heating needs. The adjustable louvers allow you to direct airflow exactly where you need it, ensuring that you feel warm without wasting energy. Plus, it's UL/CUL listed, which adds an extra layer of safety assurance. The reviews are strong, with many users praising its consistent performance. However, some have mentioned that it lacks a remote control, which can be a hassle if you want to make adjustments from a distance. But honestly, if you don't mind getting up to change the settings, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solution with adjustable settings. Skip this one if you need a remote for convenience. It's fairly priced for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 3, Nuaire Electric Garage Heater. Next up is the Nuaire Hardwired Electric Garage Heater, retailing at $350. This heater really stands out because of its high output capability. If you have a larger garage, you'll want to pay attention. This unit can deliver a whopping 10,000 watts, efficiently heating up to 1,605 square feet. That's impressive for any garage. The remote control is a great touch, allowing you to make adjustments without stepping away from your work. And with industrial-grade construction, you can count on its durability for the long haul. However, some users did mention that it's quite a bit pricier than other options. But here's the thing, if you really need that extra heat for a larger space, that price might be justified. This is perfect for you if you have a big garage or workspace that needs constant heating. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a solid investment for long-term performance. Now, if you're looking for something with a different fuel source, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, LF Bros Diesel Heater. Next we have the LF Bros 110 V1224V Diesel Heater, priced at $249.99. What caught my attention here is its versatility. If you're looking for a heater that can work in various settings, this is worth considering. This heater has a powerful output of up to 17,000 BTU per hour. Plus, it can be plugged into different voltages, making it super adaptable. The remote control adds convenience, and the oil leak-proof design gives you peace of mind. It's designed for easy setup with detailed instructions to guide you through. However, some users found that the noise level can be a bit higher than expected, which can be distracting if you're working. But honestly, if you need reliable heating in a cold environment, the performance might outweigh the noise. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile heater for different environments. Skip this one if quiet operation is a must for you. It's a solid choice for multi-use scenarios. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, check out the next product. Product number 5, Shinek Electric Garage Heater. Finally, we have the Shinek Electric Garage Heaters, which come in packs of 2 for about $119.99. I was drawn to this for its affordability and practicality. If you're on a budget but still want effective heating, this might be just what you need. These radiant heaters provide quick warmth with their dual quartz tubes. They're perfect for focused heating, especially in smaller spaces. The 90-degree rotation allows you to direct heat exactly where you want it. Plus, with the added halogen work light, you can see what you're working on even in low light. They come with safety features like overheat protection, ensuring you can use them without worry. However, some users have noted that they may not be powerful enough for larger garages. Here's the thing, if you have a smaller space or just need supplemental heat, they're a great option. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution for quick heating. Skip this one if you need something that can heat a large area. It's a great value for the price, especially for smaller spaces. So to wrap it up, the Comfort Zone heater offers excellent space-saving features. The Dr. Infrared provides solid dual settings. The Nuaire delivers high output for larger areas. The LF Bros is versatile for multiple uses, and the Shinek offers a budget-friendly solution. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Choose wisely and stay warm out there.